Hey guys, it's me, Core Plays. I'm here, and I'm gonna play Doki Literature Club. The first recording I did, I actually fucked up, and so I'm gonna continue to do this. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I've heard that it's a really good type of game, but weirdly enough, they keep saying the game. It's okay. I'm fucking core about talking English. Okay. I'm gonna open the game files and see, as I have them right here, my game files. That was Sayori. Okay. Sayori must have come to class a lot spacing out. Okay. Why the fuck is there no... Where the fuck's the teacher? Like... Oh. Did I catch you here, honestly? Your own club! What the... You can come to my literature club? Not touching to the microphone. Sayori? Yeah? There's no way I'm going to your club. Yeah, you stupid bitch. Fuck you. Eat me. What the fuck? What? How did her lips go that fucking small? And then, Sayori is the vice president of the literature club. Not even, I was aware that she had any interest in literature. I'm at 99% sure she only joined it because she thought it would be helpful to start a club. Since she was, oh god, I don't feel like reading this. My English is gonna die halfway through it. Oh, sorry, I forgot to full screen it. My bad. That said, my interest in the literature club was going even less. Yeah, I'm going to the anime club. Yeah, nope. Fuck you, Sayori. Fuck the literature club. Fucking anime is the only way. If you don't go anime, what's the point of living? Okay. Why do you care about so much about me anyways? Okay. I kinda told the club yesterday I would bring a new member. Oh, well, fuck that bitch. She did. Rip. Well, looks like you're not to go tell much you lied. And Natsuki made me made cupcakes. Bitch, I want some cupcakes. I can't tell Sayori's that much of an airhead as she Candace planning all of this out. I let her log slide. Fine, I'll stop by for a cupcake. Exactly. The only reason to go to. Yes, let's go. And thus, today marks the day I sold my soul for a cupcake. I ain't gonna lie, I did the exact same thing. It depends on what kind of cupcake. A Thomas the Train Up cake, I'm all over that shit. I swear I am. I directly follow Sayori across the classroom and upstairs a selection of the school I rarely visit. Well, you know what? I don't know it. Fuck. So Sayori's full of energy swiped up the classroom door. Everyone, the new member's here! I told you, don't call me a new member. I glanced around the room. Welcome to the Literature Club! It's pleasure meeting you. Okay. Sayori's always said nice things about you. Seriously, you brought a boy? Well, bitch, shut the fuck up. Who asked you, bitch? Okay, sorry. Way to kill the actor. Bitch, your hairline killed the actor. Oh! That was so bad. I don't think I'm gonna upload this. Tyler, what a nice surprise. Welcome to the club. All the words escape me in this situation. This club is full of incredibly cute girls. What are you looking at? I'm looking at your face. If you want to say something, say it. Okay. Where the fuck are the cupcakes, bitch? Okay, that's what I have to say. So sorry. Bitch, don't say sorry. Meets Natsuki. Whatever the hell you pronounce that. These girls have sour attitudes who are apparently named Mitsuki is one I cannot recognize. Her small figure makes her think she's in first year. Why the fuck is she flushing? She's probably the one who breaks. You could just ignore her. She gets moody. My ear turns back around. Anyway, she's always full of energy. This is Yuri, the smartest one in the club. Oh, it's Yuri! That's it. Yuri, who appears comply more turn the 10 minutes seems to have a hard time keeping up with people like Sarah and Misky. Aww. Okay. Great to see you again. Well, but what the fuck? You too, Monica? Monica. I think that's what that meme about when he said my nigga in the N-word. I'm not racist, but my nigga. This is funny. Okay. I'll get the cupcakes. Bitch, these cupcakes better be fucking worth it. I want to join the anime club if it wasn't for you. Okay, I made them. I'll get them. Stop, no threat. Sorry, I got too excited. Oh, I like the way she's placing her fingers. Sorry, I got a little too excited. And how about I make some tea as well? Okay, I like some pumpkin tea. This shit better have some sugar. The girls have a few rings. It's been widened and there's one space next to Monica and one next to Sayori. Okay, Natsuki and Yuri walk over to where Natsuki is, still feeling awkward. I think it's next to Sayori. Okay, Natsuki probably marches back to the table, tray in hand. Okay. Okay, you ready? Ta-da! Whoa. Natsuki was a fluffy cupcake decorated like cats. Oh my god, can I please see them? So cute! I had no idea you're good at baking. At least she's good at something, besides running her mouth. Sayori turns around with her mouth full and is already managed to get answer his face. Chill down. I'm gonna laugh my ass off when you choke, bitch. I turn the cookies around in my fingers. The best thing was that like, hell yeah. Like, every time you get a cupcake, like, where do I find it to get the least? See, there's a secret to that. You eat it from the bottom. Life hack, just eat it from the bottom. Natsuki is quiet. I can't help him but notice. Is she waiting for me to take a bite? Chug that shit! No, throw that shit on the floor and say, stop looking at it. No, okay. If you about to take a bite of it, just say, oops, and throw it. And then say, oops, I have Tourette's. I finally bite down. The icing is so sweet and the flavor. I wonder if she made it herself. This is really good. Thank you, Natsuki. What do you think? I haven't heard that someone made them for you. I didn't make them for you or anything. Jesus. Ew. I thought technically did. Well, maybe. Not for you, dummy. Alright, I give up. On my... Yuri comes to the table and carries the tea. She carefully places a teacup in front of me. Each of us, before sitting down the teapots in the next cupcake tray. Okay. You kept... English. I ain't gonna lie. She did. Okay. You keep a whole tea set in this classroom? Don't worry, the teacher gave us permission. Fuck the teachers, I'm a back and I'm gonna stay glue stick in a light socket and see what happens. After all, doesn't a hot tea help you enjoy a good book? Fuck books, books are for nerds. I guess. Yuri's just trying to press her. No, I'm not. I meant to, I believe you. Well, tea and reading might not be a pastime for me, but at least I like enjoying tea. Tea's the shit. Okay, well, reading my pastime. I'm glad. Oh, fuck. Yuri. Nikolai faintly smiles. I'm gonna refer to Yuri as Nikolai now. Monica raises her eyebrow and smiles at me. So what do you want to consider in the literature club? I was afraid of this question. Something tells me I shouldn't tell Monica that I've been kind of practically dragged here. Well, I haven't joined any club or anything. Sure, really wanted me happy here, so whatever. Okay, don't be embarrassed. Don't make yourself feel at home, okay? As the president of the literature club, it's my duty to make everyone fun excited. Well, you know how to make it fighting? Get a fucking Xbox One up in this shit, and we've been dancing. I'm surprised. Okay. How come you decided to stay in your own club? I don't know. Something's weird about her. She's got one there and one there. It's very... I don't know. You could probably be a board member. Weren't you a leader of a debate club last year? Well, this bitch. Oh. To be honest, I can't stand all of the politics around the major clubs. Okay, that just sounds weird. feels like nothing but arguing about budgets and politically and how you feel for events. I'd much rather take something out I personally enjoy, making something special out of it, and if it encourages others to get influenced, I'm fulfilling that dream. I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but she got some nice tits. Oh god, I can't. Damn. Okay. Monica is a really great leader. Oh, hi, Sayori. Oh, Nikolai also nods and agrees. And I'm surprised there ain't more people in the club yet. It must be hard to start a new club. Yeah, you can put it that way. I mean, people are interested in putting out all the effort to search for it, especially when it doesn't grab your attention like literature. You have to work hard to convince people that you're fun and worthwhile. Okay. That makes sense. Like, film festivals are much more important. Yeah, I can see that. I'm confident that we all can say it. Whoa! Before we graduate, yeah! Right, everyone? Yeah! Oh, Nikolai. We'll do our best! Nikolai. You know it! No, every time you're I'm gonna do it in a deep voice. This is a deep raspy voice. Okay, such different girls, all interested in the same goal. Monica must have really worked hard to find these three. Okay, you can pause it and read it, because I don't feel like reading this. So Tyler, what kind of things you like to do reading? Says Nikolai. Okay, well, consider how little I've read these days past. I don't really have a good way of answering that. Manga? Hell yeah. I muttered quietly to myself, half joking. Not only searching his books up. Cupcakes! Okay. Section 6 is the she keeps quiet. Okay. Not much of a reader, I guess. Oh god, you know what? Must have killed my voice. Shite. What am I saying? I spoke without thinking. After seeing Nikolai's sad smile. Oh no. Anyways, what about you, Nikolai? Let's see. Retrace the rim again. Nikolai traces the rim of his teacup with his finger. My favorites are usually novels, very deep, complex fantasy worlds. The level of creative craftsmanship behind it is amazing me. Oh god, my tongue. And telling a good story is such a foreign world is equally impressive. Nikolai goes on. He seems so reserved and timid. The moment I walked in, but is it obvious by the way her eyes look? Oh god, I don't feel like reading it. Anyways, I read a horror. I grasp with this rate. I can relate on a minimum level. At this rate, you might as well be having a conversation with The Rock. The Rock. Really, I wouldn't expect that from Nikolai. For some reason, I'm just like you. I guess you can say that. But if it makes a story, then put it down. Such a size. Ugh, I hate horror. Did someone ask for your fucking opinion? Go the fuck on somewhere. Oh, why is that? Well, Nazi's eyes dart over for me. Never mind. That's right. Like cute things, don't you? What? What gives you that idea? Oh god. I don't feel like reading this at all. Don't say it out loud. Say it. Give it back. Fine. Nurse has to put your hand on her shoulder. Okay. I'm not cute. Yeah, damn right you're not. You're Natsuki, you write your own poems? Oh no. Well, I guess sometimes. Why do you care, bitch? Because, I don't fucking know. I don't think that's very impressive. But I'm so sure this is person. No, stingy ass bitch. Natsuki averts her eyes. You wouldn't like them. How do you know? Whoa! I don't know. I understand how Natsuki feels. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching, and I'd like you to subscribe to Cooler Plays and hit the bell. I'll see you